How to lock, hide, and unhide apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and on your home screen navigate to the app that you want to lock or hide and tap hold on it. You will then see the option for require Face ID. Tap on it and then tap on the require Face ID option you see there if you just want to lock the app. And if you want to lock and hide the app together, then simply tap on the hide and require Face ID option you see there. And with this, you will be required to enter your Face ID for verification purpose. Once entered, tap on the hide app option you see there. And with this, the app has been hidden as you can see here. And now in order to unhide the app, simply go to your app library by swiping towards the left on your home screen until the end. And now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab. Tap on it and you will be required to enter your Face ID in order to view all the apps that you have hidden. Once unhidden, go ahead and tap hold on the app that you want to unhide and further tap on the Don't Require Face ID option and then tap on the Add to Home Screen option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Unhide app, and with this, the app will be unhidden. So this was about how you can lock, hide, and unhide app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.